I've got a little bit of experience in UV lights, well, namely flashlights, but I do have quite a few UV lights. And I also rock hound. And we go up on the shores of Lake Superior, Lake Michigan and that, and look for sodalite rocks or anything that fluoresces. And through the years, I had settled on what I'd call it's the Lone Fire H42. Got this off from AliExpress. Good battery life, fairly bright. Well, then I upgraded to this light, which I'm going to put a separate video up on it due to I really like it. But this is a UV M15 made by, if I pronounce that right, Lightfee. Very expensive light, but a very bright light with a good beam pattern, and you don't see very many of them on the market. They truly are good, and that's running with 3 18650s. This one's running with 4. But then I run across a person shining what is called the FS Hunter, but it wasn't the Pro. This is a L6 version, and this wipes everything off the map. If you want a bright, shining, long wave or 365 NM flashlight, paid a little bit of money and get this thing. This thing is point blank wicked. And what I'm going to do is demonstrate it at night on the numerous UV rocks. And the host is a Convoy L6. There's a gentleman on Facebook that puts these together and makes them. I have not taken it apart yet, but one thing I learned since I already did the night shot is you can focus this from a tight beam to a rather loose beam by just turning the head a little bit. The reflector has got a spring under it, so it stays up against the top. But I'm going to go ahead and pop this top off. Well, one, this thing runs with, I bought this, I do believe was $125 or something like that. And I bought the kit with it, where you'll supply a charger for 10, and I think these are 20. Everything come together for $160. But this thing runs two 26,650s, 6,000 milliamps a piece. Extreme battery time for this flashlight. And you're talking 12,000 milliamps. You're probably talking that other one about 6,000 to 8,000. And this one here, I got some real good batteries in, supposedly about 12,000, but it don't last that long. The build quality on the Convoy is awesome. The components he put in here, just, it'll blow your mind. I think this is the brightest long wave UV light, easily, if you want to say, on the market. Now, to get that, order this light. After you watch this video, you have to go to Facebook and look for the group FS Hunter. I'll put that down below. Join them, and then ask John you want some lights. He's got many different lights. He builds everything, stands behind them. If you got any issues, everybody's there to help you out. But it's a killer UV or a fluorescent minerals group. If you're into that or getting into it, I'm almost scared to take this apart, but I don't see why not. There's a spring. And that emitter in there, you cannot tell what emitter that is. It's got a wicked driver in it, I'll tell you that. Orange peel reflector, and of course the awesome lens on the front to block the other lighting out. Just wonder how bright this would be without that lens on there. You can feel the heat on your hand with this flashlight. There's a 5+ pound sodalite. You can see it's hitting it in broad daylight quite easily. So what we're going to do is compare John's FS Hunter Pro. I'll call this the L6. Not sure which one they call it. They got a FS Hunter and then a Pro. I don't know for sure if that's the Pro or not. But then we're going to compare it to the Lone Fire. And then this UV 15. I'm going to put a separate video up on this. And he sends a beautiful case with it. Fits in quite well. That way you can carry it on your side if you're out shining. So with that said, let's switch over to night mode and shine some lights. All right, I got some fluorescent rocks set up to test these 3 lights out. Now keep in mind, every one of these are more of a high-end light. Right here in front of this cat, I got basically a 2-part epoxy glow-in-the-dark, and then the cat would get out of the way. Right there is a slag glass from uranium, basically uranium glass. And here is a rather large sodalite from Lake Superior. And then I got another flat one and some chalcedony there. There's a little sodalite, then another sodalite, another sodalite, another sodalite, and then a real big one. And all in here are some glowing rocks and minerals. So hopefully this will be a good test. I am going to start out with the $60. I think that was the Lone Fire. I paid about $60 for it on AliExpress. I'm sitting right by the camera. Make sure I got the highest mode. All right, you can see that slag glass lighting right up. It's probably about 13, 14 feet away, that big one. And I am picking up the chalcedony. I don't know if the camera's doing it. There's a little ruby there. But you check that out, how bright that sodalite is. And all the other glowing rocks. Farthest one about 13 feet, them black there, and that other light is about 16 feet away. I'm going to stand in the same spot, and now we're going to do that UV M15. I've got $250 into this light. I do want to get it on turbo. Noticeably brighter, as you can see there, than the Lone Fire. But it cost about 4 times as much. Sodalite's coming in beautiful, 13 feet away. Look at that one there that doesn't have a lot on it. Chalcedony's very bright. Look at that one glow. That's pretty awesome. And then that big one. This big one is just plain wicked. I love this. It's got stripes and everything in it. You're definitely going to find them with that. I'm going to back up to, well, I don't know. Probably looking at a good 30 feet from that slag glass. And it is showing every one of these lights, sodalites are lighting up. If it was pitch dark out, definitely find them. But that's about 30 feet away. Better do it a Lone Fire 30 feet away too. Yeah, not so much. You can see them, but it's not all the way there. Next up is FS Hunter's 365 NM UV light, but we'll stand by the camera. Look at that. That is wicked bright. Keeps making that glow block keep going. But every sodalite, chalcedony is just lighting right up with it. You're not going to miss any sodalites with this thing if you're on Lake Superior. I'm telling you that right now. It literally makes everything glow an unreal amount. I'm going to back up to 30 feet. I mean, look how bright that is. We'll step back here. Definitely can see it 30 feet away. Man, I'm going to go farther. Giant soda light, completely lighten up. You're going to hear some unwanted noise, but big fan running. I can see that huge soda light way back here, and that's probably 35, 40 feet from me. All the soda lights I can see. It's lighting everything up. All these outdoor cats congregate here for the bugs. I'm going to go with that next brightest one, the $250 one. We're going way back. Yeah, not so much. That block and that slag glass are a good 60 feet from me. You can faintly see the soda lights. I'm going to try the two big ones at the same time from way back there. That's the $250 light shining. Now here comes the L6. Look at the difference. That's the L6. And that's that $250 one. M15. L6. M15. Now standing, there's the $250 M15. And there's the L6. Huge difference. Now this All Express was my go-to light because of battery longevity and a nice wide throw. I found a lot of soda lights with it. But that's that All Express 3 emitter 365. That's the L6. You're going to find them with the littler light, but not like with this. If you're going hunting and you want some soda lights, invest into the FS Hunters L6. Money well spent. Pretty neat.